All right, number 28. If y equal to 3x squared plus 6x plus 2 is graphed in the xy plane, which of the following characteristics of the graph is displayed as a constant or coefficient in the equation? Okay, so what we have here, this is a standard form of the equation of a parabola. Right, so quadratic equation. So they want to know which one was the characteristic of the displayed by the constant or the coefficient in the equation. The constant or the coefficient. Okay. So it's actually, well, so the constant we're talking about is the number by itself. Right? It's a number by itself. So it's gonna be, we're gonna be this number in the end, right? The +2. And that's a constant term. The other two term are, it's not a constant because we have x in them, right? X is a variable. So that those will be the variable terms. So constant term is always a number by itself. Right? So pretty much they're asking us, what does that represent? Right? What does that represent on the graph? So if you have the quadratic equation in this form, ax squared plus bx plus c, right? The constant term in the end is always the y-intercept of the graph. Okay, so y-intercept, because when x equal to 0, that gives us a y-intercept. You see, when x equals 0, the first two term will be 0. Right, so we just get 2. So that's when x equals 0, the y by is 2. That's a y-intercept. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so it'll be letter C for this question here.